But anyway, the end goal still, I need to get this chopper frame off of here and get this yeller bike up there and work on it, put it together, and move some of this littles. I gotta get this car uncovered still. And the idea is once that bike's out of the way there, we can pull this car more to the center. Okay, so we got the cover cleaned off here, the table cleaned off. We're gonna oil it down because she's rusty. We're gonna sweep it off first because that's how we roll up here. We're gonna sweep it off. We got our candle lit over here.
More romantic.
Sweep it down.
Romantic.
It's bromantic. Can't decide whether we're gonna put the yellow bike up there or this gold bike up here. I kind of like the way this gold bike is. We need to put oil in it and see if it'll run with the new carburetor setup. Here, get the good shot. Do it again. Do it again, I'll get the good shot. Nice. Nice. Alright, now we're going to oil it down. Okay, put the Zuki up there. We're going to try to work on it. I've had this for over a year now, and I had all the parts here in a little box and a tray and a crate. And I'm just done, you know, risking losing carburation parts. So we cleaned the bench off and we're just going to put it together. That's the project going on right there. Still working on cleaning the Roadster off so we can work on it. And then the other project going on in here right now is this bike and possibly the little black bike with the helmets on it. So still too many. The kicker over there is going to Porterbuilt, and this drill press is hopefully going on the patio. All this bull crap in here is hopefully getting moved so we can work on this car. So no shortage of projects out here, but we're getting organized so we can work. So hopefully get a lot of great content this fall.